Hello, magandang araw mga adas. Ang tutorial natin ngayon is regarding spamming. Actually, wala talaga akong balak gumawa ng tutorial. Pero I am worried most especially sa mga existing or may madami ng mga subscribers na until now hindi pa din nila alam kung ano yung ginagawa nila, hindi nila alam kung nag nag-spam na sila sa mga messages nila sa YouTube. So dapat kailangan ko talagang i-explain para maintindihan ng karamihan, especially sa mga kapwa Pilipino natin dito sa YouTube. Ito yon. Ang spamming is the use of messaging system to send unsolicited message. That's spam, especially in advertising, as well as sending messages repeatedly on the same site. So, meaning, pag nag-send ka ng message sa YouTube, the same time, then random users yung sinendan mo, yun ang magiging mitya ng YouTube, ma-detect sa algorithm nila, nag-spam ka. Especially if nagsisend ka ng comments ng walang every seconds or hindi ka nanonood ng video sa ibang you just keep on you have fun of sending messages without any um, reviewing the content of the video itself. So yun ang problema. So mostly kasi yung spam is recognized in email, but right now sa mga messages kasi na-detect na ng algorithm ng YouTube na um, yun nga, yun may problema talaga ang mga user ngayon sa YouTube na nagspam para lang to hit those subscribers na gusto nilang ma-hit, which is still cheating sa algorithm ng YouTube. So, ito, I made a screenshot to protect the identity of my commenter. Just try to think of this, guys. Imagine 2.01 subscribers until now. He or she didn't realize na nagspam na siya. Then 1.227K subscribers, wala pa din siyang alam. Then 889 subscribers, wala pa din siyang alam. So let's discuss one by one. So ano bang nangyari? Bakit naging spam ito? For me, yung mga red flag na mga messages, madidetect din ni YouTube yan, makukonsider niya as spam, especially majority of the YouTubers keep using that certain words. Let's try this one. Looks like so much fun. I have review toys on my channel. Feel free to stop by. Maybe we can become friends. See? So, on this aspect, ang nakadetect sa YouTube nito is feel free to stop by. Ito yung word for me ha, ito yung word na na-detect ni YouTube na nagpa-spam ka or you are asking for something, especially if you send this one to most of your YouTube comments. Okay, let's go to number two. But we can be friends. You have to create a friend when you have a reason. I make a reason. See? Dito pa lang, ma-check mo na. So, possible, ang word na friends is red flag na ni YouTube. Then, create a friend. Ma-trace nyo guys, especially kung something na mag-crave kayo ng something na parang ma-detect ni YouTube na you are asking for a rebound or asking for a subscription sa channel ninyo. Then another thing, you share it very Interesting. Thank you for sharing. See, ito, walang nan-detect sa as red flag nito. Ang naka-problema lang nito, for sure, this comment was posted, majority of his comments sa mga binivisit niyang site. So, this is alarming, guys, because they have more subscribers than our channel, but we are aware of this one. So, nakakapanghinayang na sila pa yung madaming mga subscriber, sila pa yung walang alam sa ano. In the end, during the review for monetization of the site, that's the time na may problema. That's the time na may ano. So I hope this tutorial will guide you not to do and not to make any mistakes again, and hoping this tutorial will help you monitor your messages, will help you. My only advice is, once you try to visit a certain video, you have to review the video honestly, and take time in reviewing, give a good input or a good feedback kung ano yung na-dislike nyo or ano na-like nyo sa video, then before giving any comments. Kasi it's unfair din sa account nyo kung yun din ang gagawin sa inyo. That would be all. See you soon in the next tutorial natin. Thank you so much, mga adas. Bye bye for now.